Hi everyone, and welcome back. This is the final push of the week, so I just wanted to come back here and let you know I was able to get these items completed. Did pay the bills. Did not walk on Sunday. How was your week? I really need to do better about doing this as I go instead of trying to cram it in at the end of the week when I'm also trying to figure out what I want to do for next week. I don't know what kind of layout I want to do. What shall we do? I don't know. So it's going to be, what if we did 4 square? That would be easy. It would be fast to set up. Let's do that. So I'm going to pop in here. I'm going to grab my G25. I'm going to give this a rough little measure. I'm feeling if we draw this line in, then we can go to 3. Is that right? Yeah. Did I go here? Yeah, so here, 3, here. Perfect. Okay, so then I'm just going to take this. We're going to go for mostly straight. Bada bing, bada boom. Same with this one. Red line, red line. Perfect. Next week, unfortunately, is going to be different. It's not going to be a normal week. I'm going into work an hour early each day, and I'll be catching up on some different things that I need to do, so it'll be a little different. Setup wise, I just need something easy that is absolutely quick to assemble and quick to fill in. So you see here we've got 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These bottom ones are a little bit longer. That's totally fine. So let's go in here. I'm going to put Monday, the 13th, Tuesday, the 14th, Wednesday, 15th, Thursday the 16th, Friday the 17th, Saturday the 18th, Sunday the 19th, and this is going to be my market list. So easy to put together. Now, as far as decoration this week, I'm not really feeling anything too much. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my light medium rose and I'm just going to do, why am I smudging? I shouldn't be smudging, but I am. I am going to do an every other day. Now see how that puddled? We're just going to go back with our finger and swipe it back this way. This is a really juicy marker. Boop. Now over on Tuesday, we're going to do the opposite lines. This is all just to add some fun visual texture so that we're more apt to go back to our notebook during the week. At least I am. If it has visual texture, I really am more apt to go back to it. So then I'm going to go here, 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 and then here, here, here. I don't know that I want to go down any further than that. I kind of like it there. So let's open this up. We're gonna go skip, skip this one, and then perfect. And then we're gonna go here, here, here. See how quickly this is just adding a little bit more to this? It's not extremely decorative, but it's also not just bland. So that takes care of that and that. I do know a couple of things that I need to add to the market list. So I'm going to grab my G210 and I'm going to do that really quick. Normal everyday items. I need some cottage cheese. And then I need some flour and sugar. And some pickled beets. I think I spelled that wrong, but that's okay. I will know what that means. And then I'm going to go back in with my 5 and I'm going to hit Monday. So let's flip this over. We're going to go into Monday. I can't believe the 13th. 13. Oh, if this is your first time to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is April. And if this is a return trip for you, welcome back. I don't know why we got so far in here and I forgot to do that, but here we are. Here we are. So the goal with this notebook is to fill it up. And so far, we're doing pretty good. We are not doing bad at all. Actually, I don't want to do a flip through now. I got sidetracked. I will, once we get this full, I will do a full flip through. How many times can I say full? Quite a few, actually. I don't know where I keep getting these smudges, but here we are. Make lunch. When I get up in the morning, I always have my coffee and then look over the comments on the channel. So that's what that is. Thursday, I also know I need to take out the salmon. From the freezer. I'm gonna make spicy salmon sushi rolls. Although I cook my salmon first because I don't know enough about raw fish to know that I'm not going to poison us by just choosing a piece of salmon from the freezer. Now it's our friend who goes to Alaska to catch the salmon, so it's wild caught and it's packaged and all that. I don't know how to cure it. I don't know how to do it. So I will be cooking said salmon. And then on Sunday, we'll do coffee and comments. I need to make chicken meatballs. So what I'm planning on doing is I grind my own chicken meat. So I'll take a package of like 10 breasts and a package of 5 or 4 thighs. I'll trim them down so there's not any fat on them, but your dark meat's going to be fattier than your white meat. I will put them in my grinder that's attached to my KitchenAid, and I'll make my own ground chicken meat. Then I'll spice it up like crazy, make 1 ounce chicken meatballs, and I will bake them. And then when they come out, I freeze them on a cookie sheet, and then we individually pack them in 3-ounce portions. So my plan with them, some of them, is to keep them raw, put them in a pan, and put, oh shoot, what is the name of it? It is, hold on. I've written it down somewhere. Wonton paper. So you take the square wonton paper and you like make a blanket over the meatball after it's cooked, and then you put the lid on, add a little bit of water to steam it. And then you have these amazing little meatballs in a wonton, which is like a meatball dumpling. Oh my goodness. Smother that with some chicken broth. I'm salivating. Salivating, I tell you. It is amazing. Amazing. Which also means I need to get wonton wrappers. Before I do, I also need to check to see if I have sriracha sauce. Oh, and you know what? Kewpie mayonnaise. There's just something different about the Japanese mayonnaise when you're making spicy salmon or spicy tuna or whatever. Oh, spicy shrimp is also really good. It's that Kewpie mayo. I don't know what's in it. I don't want to look. Whatever it is, it's amazing, and I'm sure it's healthy for me. I'm sure it's not, but I make it very minimal. Like, I don't make it very often. I don't use it very often. In fact, the last Kewpie mayonnaise I had in the fridge went bad before I used it all because I just don't use it that often. So I'll need to make sure and get that. I think I've got one in there. I'll have to check the date. This will be the 3rd one I've purchased if I do have to purchase one, because I don't use it very often, but it is perfect for this dish. It doesn't seem very frugal. I should, when I get it, look up other recipes that I can use that in so that I am not wasting, a 1/3 of the bottle, because it does take quite a bit to do the spicy salmon. Anyway, I digress. I also need to do a freezer inventory next weekend and just get everything lined up the way that it needs to be. I think I also need to give Bingo a bath. Bingo is our kid's dog, and he's going to be staying with us for the week. So I'll give him a bath on Sunday, which also means I need to get some dog shampoo. That is one great thing about cats. I don't have to bathe them. They just take care of themselves. I have, though, had to pick cockaburs out of their bellies. We are in the burr season, not like October or cold, but burrs, like they just get in their hair. Thankfully, I can get them every night after they come in from being outside, and it's not a big deal. They're not like matted or anything. But yes. And then I think that's about as much right now that I can pre-plan. I don't like how this necessarily looks. Let me grab this. I feel like we need to add, even if it's just some lines up here. I feel like it just needs something. Yeah. It just needed something to tie that in. That's better. I feel better with that. That's not so stark at the top. What do you think? As I'm standing up to look at it, what do you think? I'm also making sure that you're in screen. Straighten that up a bit. I hope you have the most amazing week. Let me know if you're going to throw together this really quick layout for the week and utilize it. I'm curious. I will see you down in the comments. I love you. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.